All right, so here we have a couple more examples. So this first one, number 5, and this is a repeat of number 5, so let's just call it number 7, and we'll call this number 8. Okay, so we have a 2 being multiplied inside, right? So remember, if it's multiplied inside, that means it's going to be a horizontal, right? And usually if you multiply by 2, it would make it bigger, but when it's inside, it's backwards. So it's going to be a horizontal, and instead of stretching, it's going to compress. So horizontal compression. Okay. And you could say by a factor of 1/2 is what it would be, but we'll just leave it at that, horizontal compression. And we know there's absolute value, so the original one looks like this. Okay. All right, so horizontal compression, that's going to make it narrower, right? So it's going to be something like this. All right, now number 8 is 4y equals x squared. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to get y by itself. Okay, so I'm going to basically divide by 4. So what I get is y equals x squared over 4. Or another way I can write that is 1/4 x squared, right? So what I have here is I have 1/4 in front. So I'm multiplying in front. So that's going to be vertical since it's outside of the square, outside of the operator. So it's going to be a vertical. And then since I'm multiplying by a number less than 1, it's going to be a compression. Okay. So now when we graph it, this is a quadratic, so it's going to be a parabola, right? That kind of U shape. And so I'm vertical compression, so that means I'm gonna squish it down flatter, so it's gonna be kind of wide like this, wider. Okay. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully this makes sense, and this is a good thing. Like this is something that you can use in different types of math whenever you're trying to graph something efficiently without having to plot every point, or if you don't have your calculator and things like that. It's a good way to do it.